In Aweber's automated campaigns, you have an on-subscribe trigger, which basically means anytime somebody signs up to your list, by default, they'll be started on this brand new campaign. However, you can click on this tag and actually filter out how people are getting on this particular campaign. For example, if they're added via an import or a sign-up form even. Also, our older sign-up forms used to use ad tracking, which is still in use, so you can even trigger a campaign by that, or even by country. You can also trigger a campaign based on custom fields that you add to a sign-up form on your landing page. For example, let's create a custom field, favorite food. So we'll add that and save it. So now when someone fills out our form with their favorite food, seafood, we can trigger this automated campaign just based on that field. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.